If you are just started a blog or a channel and looking for video editing software, then I will recommend CapCut, which is user-friendly, simple, easy to use, offering new pictures at no cost, and it is available for Android and iOS user. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video will cover how to save and install CapCut in your laptop or PC. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch this video until the end, so that you won't miss any steps. Let's get started. Go to Google. In the search area, write CapCut for PC. Scroll down, click on Professional Desktop Video Editor. Scroll down, click on Save for Windows. Open the File Explorer. Open the folder. Right-click and click on Run as Administrator. Tick the box Agree with CapCut. Then click on Install Now. Click on Start Now. Click on Confirm. Now you can edit videos with CapCut. Share your thoughts with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.